Meaning of excruciating.
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 Excruciating. The term excruciating refers to a level of pain or discomfort that is almost unbearable. When something is excruciating, it can cause extreme agony, suffering, and distress to the person experiencing it. It is a term often used to describe physical pain, but it can also be used to describe emotional or psychological torment. The experience of something excruciating may lead to feelings of helplessness, despair, and even trauma, and can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life and mental health.